guys, my name is Mr. Uyi, aka Johnny O. I'm here for Obidat today. We are here, you guys can see the organic love. The organic love is just so much. Mr. Obidient 2023 is sure. I'm out here, most of us are out here for Mr. Obi, but we have a lot of things you can see here. As you can see, there is a new couple here today, a couple that just wedded today. Once again, we are telling them congratulations. We have everything right here with Obidient. Everything is free. If you are looking for a wife, if you are looking for children, if you are looking for free medical checkup, if you are looking for everything, Obidient is in here for you. We love you guys and God bless you. We want to officially congratulate you guys for your wedding day. The Obedients all over the world want to say congratulations to you guys. How do you feel like?
we feel more than being joyful. If there is another word I can use to tell how we are feeling right now, I would have used it. In fact, this is more than obedience. This is more than love. Actually, we are on our way out of the church. We are heading to reception, where we saw the massive saw the massive march towards this way. Then I told the groom, man, we will join this movement too. They say, oh yeah, now make we enter. So then we did so.
All right.
Yeah.
Once again, I want to say congratulations to you guys.
Yeah,
God bless you guys.
Thank you very much.
This is our Obidient bride. Once again, we want to say congratulations to you guys. We believe today is a very joyful, a very memorable day to you guys. So how do you feel like?
I am super excited. I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy I took the decision to be here to march. Oh my God. We need to make a good government. I mean to make a good president. So I never make a wrong mistake to be here right now. I'm so happy.
So once again, we say congratulations to you guys. We love you so much. We love you, we love you, we love you. Planet Chairman, we want to be very sure that you are obedient. Sir, please, tell us about the obedient matter.
Well, there is really nothing much to say because this is visible to the blind and audible to the deaf. If you are not here today, you missed, trust me, and it's not late. Tomorrow is another day. Obedient movement is more than a revolution. I don't know how to describe the Obidient. Here today, we have Labour Party members, we have APC, we have PDP, we have AAC, we have NMPP. This is like a rainbow combination of different political parties coming together to say we need one man for Abuja, we need one man for Aso Rock, and everybody is Obi, I am obedient. I am fully obedient. I will obey. Nigerians want me to obey, and I am here to obey. And on that day, vote buying will fail them. Thuggery will fail them. Police will fail them. Army, INEC, everything will fail them. Wetin will help us? Now our PVC.
So please guys, go and collect your PVC. The PVC is our power. Go and collect your PVC. PVC is your power.
Beauty we can't get now.
Social media every day, we not get structure.
If in case they don't know about Obidient Bible, Isaiah chapter 1 verse 19, he said, "He that is willing and obedient, you shall eat the good of the land."
Okay.
And if you must eat the good of Nigeria, you must be obedient.
Confirm.
Follow no road.
Let them know so when they give chichi.
We know they give chichi.
Confirm.
We just spend our money.
We dey spend our money.
Love na organic love.
This is the original love, natural love.
We not buy am.
We not brag.
Organic one.
We not buy am.
We not buy am.
It is natural.
It's just to read.
It's happening live in the city of Benin City.
some are jealous. I'll be fully obedient.
Papa, mama, pikin. Who ever running okay? In my yaga, see ya. Naim, na for answer. Na for answer. We not dey sell our own. The one we get motor. We not dey sell.
We not dey give shishi.
Wagaya no wasu na. We dey here. We want take our country back from those old people. They said na Omi no come, na lie, na Obi no come, na Wato. We go collect Nigeria back. The whole Nigeria is shut down for Obi. Today, we go nowhere. Nigeria must be great. Confirm, we know the Obi. Confirm, we know the give shishi. We dey here, live and direct.
My brother, na independence we dey do. Nigeria we don dey liberated from political oppression. Now we don free from political crisis. We no get messiah. We wan come save Nigeria, rescue Nigeria. Im name easy na Peter Obi. And he don carry disciples follow body wey go help bring back Nigeria from the age of die to life. So na better thing like us. Na independence we dey so. We dey celebrate independence of Nigeria, proper liberation of Nigeria from political oppression.
Abeg tell your fans say we no dey give shishi.
My friends, we dey spend our money. We no dey wait for shishi. We no dey give shishi. We dey, in fact, na fans dey sponsor am o. Fans, all of una do well. Una do well, and God go bless una.
Thank you very much. We are very grateful.
I'm grateful, pass.
Right away, right now, my brother was soon now.
Wetin dey happen for here be say Nigerians don tired of the economic quagmire.
Let's go to pidgin. We are using pidgin here. It's a pidgin program. You can continue from there, my brother was soon now.
Nigeria don tire for the problem wey dey this country. Nigeria don tire for the insecurity wey dey this country. Nigeria don tire for the poverty wey dey this country. Nigeria don tire about the bad roads wey dey this country. The 36 states in Nigeria, there is no good road. All the federal roads wey dey this country, no one dey fit dey pass. Nigeria don tire for the bad educational system. If I tell you, because of ASUU strike, the federal university still dey house. They don do more than one semester for inside house because they have spent more than 3 months for house. So because of all this problem we accumulate for this country, we don all of us come out come say we wan do solidarity march for Peter Obi, who we believe say na go rescue Nigeria from this problem wey we dey. So if you see wetin dey happen for this Benin now, na so e dey happen for the 36 states of Nigeria.
Okay, thank God. That one I carry you come outside today.
Yes, na
because we see the organic love. It's just so sweet.
Na solidarity march. Everybody come out with his own mind. Nobody dey induce. Nobody dey force. Nobody go even fit pay for these persons, the number of persons wey dey here. If you check round this King Square wey dem dey call Ring Road, so see the crowd, the ring cover, no space. So that is the level of grievances wey dey people mind to take say they wan take their country back, and they believe that say na Peter Obi be the force. Peter Obi and Yusuf that be the force wey they go fit use to take Nigeria back. These people dey intelligent, they ready to take make Nigeria better. If you compare these persons with the rest candidates, mainly from the two major party, this one na better pass. No be saint, but with him Nigeria go dey great again.
Thank you very much.
I
We interview one couple just now. Today na be their marriage.
Yes.
And we still interview one other person. Some say even this place, it be like everything dey here. Some say they don't find wife. Some say they even see the other way around. You understand? So we appreciate you very well. Wetin carry you come out na the organic love wey you get for Peter Obi. So God bless you very much.